everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am cash planning for the week. I have $392 that I plan on putting into my envelopes. I already figured out my wallet amount. That's gonna get $170 this week. So I usually put the same amount in each of these envelopes each week. So spending will get 30, eating out will get 30, which actually I've only eaten out once. I still have 20 bucks in it. No, might go out to eat later. Groceries gets 80, coffee gets 20, and then buffer gets 10. So that is a total of 170 in my wallet. All right, so I'm gonna start subtracting that. All right, so I have 222 to put into all of these different categories. So I'm gonna make that money stretch as much as I can to fit into all of these things. First, I'm going to work on some savings challenges. I have a roll the dice one. I'm gonna roll, should I roll two? I'm gonna roll 2 times today for this one. Okay, so I have a 5 and 1, and this one. So 5 and 1, oh, of course, I get a 10. When I'm trying to get like low amounts, I get a 10 today. Okay, that's fine. I gotta do it. $10. Okay, one more roll. All right, 1 and 4. 1 and 4 is the popcorn. Okay, so 15 is going into this challenge. It's a nice amount. Okay, roll the dice, 15. All right. I wanted to get that one out of the way since I let the dice kind of choose what is going in there. So that one is done. And then I can come back to these other ones. Yeah, I'll come back to these after I do all my other envelopes. All right, so some priority envelopes for me right now. I'm gonna do auto. I'm gonna put 10 in auto. Extra savings will get 10, and then month ahead will get 10, and I'll do one more in here. I'll do treat yourself. This one I want to put 10. Okay, everything else is gonna get 5, so this is gonna be a nice simple cash planning, but I'm still gonna go down each one and put them in as I go through my binder, just to make sure I got all of them on my tracker, on my little sheet here. Electronics is gonna get 5, and there actually I might not put something in one of these. Emergency will get 5. Did that one. Furniture will get 5. Did that one. Rainy day will get 5. Registration is fully funded, so that one doesn't get anything. Road trip will get 5. Scentsy 5. Subscriptions 5, and travel 5. All right, next binder, Go Wild will get 5. Tires is getting 5 this week. Disneyland, you know what, I'm going to Disney this weekend. I'm gonna put 10 in here just because I'm going, and I have 26. I have a gift card, and I also have rewards money that I could spend there, but I kind of want to get a little bit more in there. 36 is good. I like to get little like snacks and coffee, so that'll pay for that. Fun will get 5. Hobbies 5. Christmas 5. And holiday decor 5. Okay, I have 87 left. I think I might not put something in one. I have Costco. Oh, I have 46 in Costco. Okay, that's good, because I think I am going to Costco this week. Let me see how much money I need. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Actually, I think I should be fine. I'm going to put 5 in all of these. 5 for beauty, 5 for clothing, 5 for Costco. 5 for family. Gifts will get 5. Home will get 5. Household will get 5. Pantry's fully funded, so I don't have to do that one. And Target will get 5. That's 47. Okay. I might actually be able to bump up another amount, but I'm gonna go into my savings challenges first. 100 envelope, I always choose to put 5 in this. I'll do 5, but then I might have leftover money. So whatever's left over in here, I will combine it with the 5, and then I'll usually put a larger amount. So I plan for 5, but usually more goes into that challenge. So 5. I have 2 cash stash ones. So I have, oh, I didn't move them over. Hold on, I need to move them. They're still in January section. Okay, so I have these 2 cash stash ones here that I'm currently working on. This one I'm almost done. I only have a few left. I have 130, 2 25s, and 2 5s. So close. This month I will be done with this challenge. But for today's cash plan, I'm going to plan for 5, and then hopefully I'll have leftover money to bump it up a little bit more than 5. So, planning for 5. And then the other cash stash is this one. So I'm just going to do the lowest amount, which is 2 on this challenge. Oops, what's 2? Okay, and then I have this bear challenge. This is a new challenge for me. It's got cute little bears, and it gives me Valentine vibes, at least for the ones that I have. I don't have like a actual Valentine themed savings challenge. So this one works. I want to do the lowest amount on this, which is this $4 one that says, I love you more than words can bear. So I'll plan for 4 on this one. Okay, that's a $4 one. Okay, and then I have, this is a $5 challenge. I'm gonna do 10 in this one. I have $1. Okay, I have 20 bucks left. Do I really? I'm gonna double check my numbers, make sure I didn't mess up on my counts here. And then if I do have $21 left, then I can maybe bump up some of these that I just put 5s in and put a little bit more towards them. So let me double check my count, make sure I'm all good, because I might have messed up somewhere. And then I can figure out what I'm gonna do with the rest of this money. Count is actually correct. So I do have 21. I'm gonna do the 1. I'm gonna put the 1 in the $1 challenge. This one right here. That leaves me with 20, so I can add a little bit more to a couple more envelopes. Let's see. Oh, I know. I want to do gifts. My mom's birthday's coming up. Also, I'm going to my coworker's birthday, her 40th birthday, and those are both the end of the month. So I'll need to buy gifts for both of those. So I'm gonna put another 5 into gifts. Gifts. Okay, so this will get 10 now. Oops. 10. Okay, I have 15 left. I want to put, I'm gonna do another 5 into auto. That brings it up to 15. Okay, I have 10 left. Okay, hold on, let me see. Beauty, no, clothing. Oh, let me see household. Yeah, I'm gonna put another 5 into household. I only have 25 right now, and I know I need some paper towels soon. So let me put another 5 into household. So that's 10. And then I have one more 5 that I can put somewhere else. And I think, oh, you know where I should put it? I'm gonna put it in subscriptions, because I have one of my annual subscriptions is renewing this month, and I just want to get more money in here. So $5 into that one. another 5. So I'll make that one 10. All right, so that should be the full $3.92 in all of my envelopes. Cool. All right, so now I'm just gonna triple check my numbers. I know I double checked, but now I'm gonna triple check. And then I can move on to tallying this up. So far, everything looks good. So let's figure out the denominations. Auto is 15, so that's 10 and a 5. Then a couple 5s, and then, oops. A couple 5s, 10, 5, 10, 5s here, 10, 5s, 10, a couple 10s. Okay, a bunch of 5s here. Okay, then a 10, 5, 10, 5s. All right, then I have Cash Dash, which is $2. So I'm just gonna put 2 there. The Bear Challenge is 4, so 4 ones. The Roll the Dice is 15, so that's 10 and a 5. And then $5 Challenge is 10, so that's 2 5s and 1. All right, so now I'm gonna count the tallies. 50, I have 1, 20s, 3, 10s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 10s, 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 5s. And then 1s, 5, 9, 10, 12. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right. Now I'm just going to multiply these two numbers together. So 50 times 1 is 50. 30 times 2 is 60. 10 times 14 is 140. 26 times 5 is 130. And then 12 times 1 is 12. All right. And then I'm just going to add all these together. And it should equal that number. 50, 60, 40, 130, and 12. Perfect. All right. So now I'm just going to write all this down. I'm gonna go to the bank and get the money so that way I can cash stuff for this week. Okay, so 20, I need 3 of those, that's $60. Then 10s, 14 of those, that's $140. 5s, I need 26, that's $130. And then 1s, 12, that's $12. And that is a total of $3.92. All right, so that is going to be my cash plan for this week. I hope you enjoyed watching. Make sure you subscribe so you can follow along if you want to see how this money actually goes into the envelopes. Definitely check out that video, which we posted on Sunday. I usually post those on Sundays, the next day after this initially goes up. So hopefully you'll check that out. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, do all those things. Those always are great and helpful, and I really appreciate it. So thank you so much for watching, for taking the time out of your day to watch. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one.